Ad valorem rate means rate based upon the value of the goods. Anchorage means a place with sufficient depth or water where vessels anchor or may ride at anchor within the harbor. Uh, Berth means the part of the pier or wharf that is occupied by a vessel or place where a vessel may tie up. Um, Bollard means a strong post on a ship or dock for holding a hawser fast. Bow means the extreme forward end of a vessel. Um, Bullion means ingot of gold or silver regarded as raw material. Buoy means floating object moored to the bottom to mark a channel, anchor, shoal, rock, etc. Uh, ito. Excreta means waste matter excreted from the body as sweat or urine or feces. Fairway means part of a waterway kept open and unobstructed for navigation. Fender means a pad or cushion or of rope, wood, etc. hung over a ship's side to protect it in docking. Filth means a foul, dirt, or disgusting matter. Full container load means a container loaded with cargoes belonging to a single consign and or covered by only one bill of lading. Funnel means a cylindrical chimney or smokestack. Gang means the number of workers employed to work. Goods includes animals, carcasses, baggage, and any movable property of any kind. Grit means rough, hard particles of sand, stone, etc. Harbor means a protected part of a sea, lake, or other body of water used by vessels as a piece of safety. Refuse means anything thrown away of rejected as worthless waste, trash. Uh, Rates means any rates or charges including any toll or rent under existing law or imposed by the authority by virtue of PD 857 for facility use or services rendered. Rigging means the fitting of a ship's sails or sails or sails or shrouds to the mast or yard. Next, rubbish means also waste trash.